941-225-9693. She calling me either.
Oh, right.
Here's your change, go to the seat, hold on a second, I'll get your copy.
Thank you.
She got one of them things like you got. Ain't that the same one you got? Yeah.
All right, you're all set.
Thank you so much.
So, what in the world just happened?
Hashtag deeded. Hashtag the queen of deeds. Hashtag who got my money.
I'm doing another little in-depth interview with the Queen of Deeds. She's picked up another property. You talk about building an empire for your family. Like, this is what it's all about right here. This is what it's all about. This has to be serious.
In the works, I'll
Right?
wait. Okay.
So we're down in the Register of Deeds office where you come to register your deeds for your property. So right now we're just leaving out of the Register of Deeds office. This is where you come to get your properties registered, right? For this. So right now, what's going on, Queen of Deeds?
So, just registered another deed and we are on the way to the house to check it out.
And for those that don't know, what does it mean to register a deed? What are you saying?
I have taken ownership of a property.
Okay. So what's the plan for this one? We're gonna sell this one off?
I don't remember what it looks like, to be honest.
Yeah, it's gonna take a look at it, right? See what's going on, and make a determination. So we'll be up here for a couple of more hours. We'll figure out one way or another. We'll put signs out and get the cash buyers, right? All the cash buyers that are around here, and a lot of these guys on Facebook want to know how to do this. You're showing them how to do it right now. So anybody who desires to change their life around and start picking up properties, we got a goal. How many properties you want to own up here?
At least 50.
Let's go higher than that. Let's go higher.
100.
Let's say 1,000.
Consider it done.
All right, consider it done. So let's go ahead on over to the property, and we'll be back soon.
Thank you.